Hello, I'm Colin. I'm a senior instructor at Runways End Outdoor Activity Centre, and I'm here today to show you a very simple activity you can do at home or whilst you're out and about, called leaf slides. Now, this will allow you to look at the structure of leaves, these fantastic solar powered chemical factories that are so vital to the survival of all living things on this planet.
So how do you make the leaf slide? For this you'll need some card, a ruler, a pencil and some scissors. Now I've used an A4 sheet of craft card here. What I'm going to do is fold it over in half, like a book. Now if you don't have craft card, you can use back of a cereal packet, some stiff paper, or even some Amazon packaging. What I'm now going to do is mark the centre of my card, just by drawing a line from the two diagonals. This will roughly give me the centre of the card. What I'll then do is draw a 4cm by 4cm square. Now it doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't have to be exactly 4 centimetres. You certainly don't want to go much bigger than that, otherwise you'll struggle to find a leaf that will fit that gap. Once I've marked my square, I'm going to fold the card in half again. I've got a fold down the middle of my square. And using my scissors, I'm going to carefully snip the two sides. Then open it out again. From here I can cut the square out from the inside. Once I've cut my first square out, I'm going to mark where I want my second hole. I'm just going to mark the 4 corners of my hole on the other side of the card. Join those up so I can see where my square is. And then I'll repeat what I did for the first hole. I've now got my 2 squares cut out of my card. When I fold it back over, I should have a window through both pieces of card. I'm now ready to find a leaf to cover that hole with.
How do we use our leaf slides? What you need is to go out and find a couple of leaves. So I've got a sweet chestnut leaf here and a sycamore leaf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my leaf slide, place my leaf across one of the windows, close it up like a book. What I can then do now is hold that up to a light patch of the sky. Now it's really important, don't look directly at the sun with this, I'll likely to damage your eyes. And hold this up to the light patch of the sky, and if you look closely you'll be able to see all the fine structures within that leaf. It'll be lit up like an X-ray. If you've got a magnifying glass you can look in even more detail. So once you've had a look at that, try differently. Are the structures the same? Are there things that are common, things that are different? What you can then have a go at doing is maybe see if you can draw that leaf pattern. Use that to decorate your leaf slide perhaps. Or maybe do a leaf print. If you like this video, press like, and we look forward to seeing you in the near future. Stay safe.